Hi, sweet Stampin' friends. Debra Harrison here with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. I wanted to share with you a sneak peek of the projects for the February Sweet Creations Club. Now, if you are already a subscriber, there is nothing more that you need to do. You are all set and ready to go. You will automatically be billed for this month's kit, and then I will ship it out by February 20th. Now, if you are not currently a subscriber to the Sweet Creations Club, you can check out the link in the description below and go check that out. It's a really fun monthly subscription craft kit where each month you will receive a fun packet from me with different projects, some Stampin' Up! Products, PDF tutorial, and there's some little fun club perks that you get to enjoy as well. So the projects for the February club, they are going to be using the Flowering Rain Boots bundle. So in order to make these 5 cards, I just wanted to share with you little close-ups of them because I just thought they were so cute. Now, what I did on some of these cards is I actually used the Brilliant Rainbow dies to create these arches, as well as this really cute little scallop trim. Now, when as part of the club, I do give you the option to add on suggested products, and when you do, I will cover the cost of the tax and shipping that you would normally pay with Stampin' Up! Now, I will send you that link to order those suggested add-on items later in January. Also, too, I wanted to share a really cute little treat holder. And this right here, you can either use it as a card, but inside I have it designed with a little pocket to where you can put a little package of these daisy seeds that I'll include in your packet. So you will want to own some products in order to complete these projects as I have designed them. So those are, like I said, you'll want to have the Flowering Rain Boots bundle with this really cute collection of stamps and the coordinating dies. Now, when you purchase them as a bundle, you do save 10% as opposed to purchasing them separately. You'll also, too, you're going to want to have the Mango Melody ink pad, the Pool Party, Granny Apple Green, and Misty Moonlight. So, and some adhesives as well. I recommend multi-purpose glue, or if you prefer a tape, some dimensionals, and some mini glue dots. So guys, I really look forward to preparing one of these make and take kits for you and sending some happy mail your way. So if you have any questions about the projects or the Sweet Creations Club, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to help. Take care. Bye guys.